Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I put up a video, but it's been so crazy here in my house with summer, and a lot of our stuff in our town is closed down because of the pandemic. So like, I usually take my kids to the town pool, we usually go to the movies, we do all kinds of things, but because of what's going on, it's very limited of what we're doing, so I guess I'm their entertainment somehow. But right now their entertainment is the Xbox, but that's another story. Anyway, so as you know, I've been decluttering my whole house, still doing it, and but this video today is about a DIY I did. So let me just give you the quick backstory about what I'm doing. So when I was decluttering the house, I decluttered my end table. It's a if I have a picture, I'll post a picture up of it. It's 3-drawer end table. And I decluttered, and I realized I don't need all these drawers, so I decided to give it away. So my philosophy about getting rid of stuff is I need it out of the house, out of my sight. So we have a garage, but I decided just to put this end table on the side of a house where there's a covering. But I also put a tarp under it, you know, so the weather won't affect the wood of the table. So because of all that's going on, the stores are closed, so I couldn't donate right away. So I decided to leave it out there. And so when the stores finally reopened where I can donate, I loaded up the car and went to get that, and someone stole the drawers. Not the whole end table, just the drawers. I'm like, why would they do that? So now I can't give that away because it has no use. I guess it'll be firewood, I don't know. So it's still there. But yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that. But to come around to today, I decided to find a more small, more minimal end table. Of course, your girl didn't want to buy anything, like, you know, buy something new, because I like to make things my own. So I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found this cute little end table, which is perfect. It had 1 drawer, 1 shelf, perfect, and it's narrow. So I decided to use that. So the woman who sold it to me, I got it for $15. She sold it to me and she said, just so you know, you're gonna need some wood glue, it's kind of wobbly. I was like, I love it because I can make it my own. So let me show you what I did. But first, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If you feel compelled, hit that subscribe button down below if you like DIYs, hauls, which I haven't done in a while. I need to do a haul. Organization and mommy life. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. So with enough said, let's jump on in. So this is the end table. I really love it. I love the size of it. It has 1 drawer and 1 shelf, which I really love. This handle though, not loving it at all. It reminds me of something in the 70s. I took the screw off to pull it off and it would not come off. It's like really on there. The woman who sold it to me, she said it belonged to her mother, so it's pretty old. So I decided to get this chisel tool. I don't know what you call this thing, but you know, I just slipped it under there and just worked at it and it popped off finally. So once we get this off, we can start sanding. So while I was sanding, my mindset was, okay, I need to get this sanded down so I can stain it. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not staining, I'm painting. So when you're staining, you try and get the top layer of wood to get to the natural wood color, but when you're painting, you just need to get the shine off. So I realized that, so when I did the rest of the top is pretty much sanded down, but the other parts I just sanded to get the, you know, the shine off of it. So here I am now wiping down all the dust from sanding. I just use a wet washcloth. Well, actually it's damp. I just wring it out really good. But one tip, do not skip this step, because if you don't wipe this down when you're painting, you're going to have like a grainy look and it'll just have all this dust on it. So make sure you wipe down what you sand really good. Okay. So while this is dry, I wanted to show something. See this gap right here? Yeah, it's not even, it's falling apart. So, and also, this fell off. This is actually the slider for the drawer to slide on. So I'm gonna put wood glue and put all these things back while this dries. But it's still gonna look beautiful. Gorilla glue. So here I'm deciding I'm going to use the paintbrush or the roller, and I decided to use the paintbrush because my roller's too big and I wasn't going to go out and get a small roller just for this project. Again, I'm not trying to buy anything. So the paint color I'm using is from Behr. It's called Silver Mine. It's like a light gray. This is the same color I use to paint my kitchen and my living room. If you'd like to see that video, I'll put a link down below or an eye on top of the screen. But I think it's going to come out good, and it's a nice color. It's kind of got a blue undertone. The camera doesn't really show it, but it's really nice. So when I painted the top, it was so bright you couldn't even see you can't even see the paint or the part of the paintbrush. So I do apologize for that, but you'll see the end result. Okay, so I'm inside because I felt some raindrops and I didn't want to get caught in the rain, so I brought everything in, and it's not raining, but I don't want to chance it. I don't want to be rushing and ruining my work. I already put on one coat. I think I need a second coat, and yeah. So I'm gonna see what the weather is gonna be like in the next 10 minutes or so. I may go back outside. I really do, because I don't feel like painting in here, and I'm almost close to being done, so we will see. Okay, I'm back outside and I'm gonna try to do the second coat. It's not raining, but it feels like it's going to, so we're gonna do it really quick. So let's get started again. So this is the end result. I think it looks so good in this space. As you can see, this space right here will tell you how big my other end table was, because it literally hit the wall. But I like this because it's small and minimal. I don't need a lot. But yeah, I like the way it came out. Only thing, I got this lamp from Home Goods. I got this like last year. They may still have it, I don't know, but I don't keep a lot of stuff on here. Just the house phone, my book that I'm currently reading, and a coaster because I like to have water at my bedside table at night. I got this knob at Lowe's. I will see if I can find it, because I think I threw the packaging away, but it only cost like $2 or $3, so I did go out and buy something. And you know, here's the drawer. I didn't do anything in the drawer. But I plan on putting a basket down here because I think it needs something. So, but yeah, I think it looks really good. And like I always say, at the end of the day, as long as you're happy with it, that's all that matters. So, doesn't it look so good? I'm telling you, it looks like something you find at Home Goods, but not at Home Goods price. Home Goods not that expensive, but still, you're not gonna find end table at Home Goods for $15 unless it's on like deep clearance. But I'm glad you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you so much, and I hope that inspires you to go out there and do a DIY. It could be something small. It's just like a vase or, you know, a little container. Just, you know, put your own personal touch on it. Thank you so much, guys. Until we meet again, have a very blessed day. Bye.